How often do we pay attention to the sound of a new place? The sound of arrival isn't always loud. Sometimes it's barely there at all. It could be a shift in the air, a difference in pace. In London, life had a certain rhythm. Fast footsteps, closing tube doors, the loud hum of the city. I learned to move quickly, to fill the space, to press forward. But here in Kyoto, I noticed something different. A silence that isn't empty, but full. Cicadas in the evenings, shoes slipping off at the door, the pour of hot water onto tea leaves, and the echo of distant temple bells. Even the wind has a different way of whispering through these alleys. It's not better, just slower, softer. You have more room to listen. I came here not to escape, but to meet something quietly. This is my new beginning. I'll be spending my time documenting life in Kyoto. Not the guidebook version, but the rhythm of ordinary days, the craftsmanship of this symbolic city, the changing sounds and colours of the seasons, and the way the light moves across old walls, the people I meet, the quiet I find. This work will unfold slowly, in the same way that this place does. I'll share what I notice, and if that resonates, you'll probably feel at home here. For now, this is where I've landed.